Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. My name's Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership. We also go under the name of Fairfield Power Sports for our CF Moto division. It's a 30-year family-owned business, and welcome to our virtual showroom. I want to introduce to you today this U600 Utility UTV. It's a side-by-side. It seats two people, and this one we've got equipped with an awesome Moose Plow and push tube. It's got a winch cushion all set up. We set it up for you. Don't shovel snow on the next snowstorm. That's heart attack work. Come in and get this UTV. I'm going to walk you through it. This is $10,999, not including the factory freight and setup costs. There are some sales taxes too. We've got the plow that adds about $1,300 parts and labor to the cost of the whole package here for you. But on the U600, let me walk you through all the incredible standard features that the U600 comes with that other brands don't come with. Side mirrors, a roof, all standard equipment on a CF Moto, automotive grade paint finishes, side curtains. We've got ride mode. When you got your seatbelt plugged in, you got the full power of the 38 horsepower 600cc engine available to you. It's got a Canadian built CV Tech fully automatic transmission, electronic power steering, tilt wheel, Bosch electronic fuel injection, alloy wheels, disc brakes all around. The winch is standard equipment, trailer receiver, pneumatically assisted dump body with a 600-pound capacity. This is an awesome vehicle. We've got a USB port and a 12-volt power supply on this vehicle. So again, easy to use. Windshields, front and back, doors are all available. All the accessories are available at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. So again, get this ahead of the next snowstorm. Don't do the heart attack work of shoveling snow, and this is way easier and can move much more snow than a snowblower and certainly a shovel. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're exit 7 off I-84. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thank you for watching this video. We've got the perfect UTV for you. So thanks again, and we'll see you at the dealership.